So today I wanted to share a card making hack with you. And this weekend I've been putting together some design team projects for Spellbinders that I just received the dies to not so long ago. And so I'm finishing up with the projects and I'm looking around my craft room for sentiments. And you know how sometimes we can get this for maybe a couple of bucks, if that. They're on clearance at your local Hobby Lobby or Michael's or whatever. Well, a while back, several years ago, I bought one of these because I thought it was the cutest thing. It is made by Prima, and it had quite a few sentiments. And then, since I'm looking for a sentiment for this, I thought, you know what? Let me look through my stash, and lo and behold, I came across this sentiment that I think, and the background papers that I think makes a great companion piece to this card that I'm making right here. So I guess my point to this card making hack is sentiments don't necessarily have to come from stickers or from expensive sentiment packs that you can get out there, you know. And I say expensive because when you buy several packs throughout the year, it can get pretty costly. Be on the lookout for these little packets of, I think they're 3x3. Let me check. Yeah, they're approximately 3x4 packs. And whenever they go on sale, you know, just flip over and see if it has sentiments and cute pictures. This could be something that you can use later on in the future, like I have over here. And so, yeah, more than likely tomorrow you will see another video of all of my greeting cards that I have made for Spellbinders using these beautiful collections. And I will do a whole video and everything. So I hope this helps somebody, especially y'all card makers that are just starting out and continue to tell me, Sandy, I don't know where to start or whatever. And I want to say to you, ladies and gents, you can start anywhere you wish, anywhere you want. There's no rules, there's no right or wrong for card making. It is what calls out to you. It is what you desire. I hope that this helps somebody. Thank you very much for watching. Hit that subscribe button. Leave me a like and a comment. I just may be doing a giveaway when I post the video for these dice and cards. So be on the lookout for that. Click on the bell